What if your survival depended on starting a fire right now, but your lighter failed? Stick around, because I'm going to show you how to build a powerful fire starter using items you already have at home. Fire means survival. It gives you warmth, light, clean water, cooked food, and it can even save your life in an emergency. But matches get wet, and lighters run out of fuel. That's why having a backup fire starter you've made yourself is a smart move for any prepper camper or everyday explorer day. Here's what you'll need. No fancy gear required: cotton balls or cotton pads, petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline, and a Ziploc bag or metal tin for storage. That's it. And hey, if you want a little extra burn time, you can toss in some sawdust or dryer lint, totally optional. Alright, so first you want to scoop some petroleum jelly and rub it generously into the cotton until it's fully saturated. Next, just flatten it out and stash it in a waterproof container. When you're ready to use it, all you gotta do is fluff the cotton to expose the fibers, then light it up with a spark or flame. And that's it. Your homemade fire starter is ready. If this helped you feel more prepared, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and maybe share it with a friend who camps or preps. Stay calm, stay capable, and I'll see you in the next video.